In this video, we will learn how to count words in a file using Python. First, I will define a function count words and pass in file name. And then we'll have a try, an exception block to catch the exception if it is thrown. And then we'll use with open to open a file and our file name and encoding that will be UDF 8 S F, and then I'm going to call this method read to read the content of a file and save in a variable text. And then going to catch exception, except block, file not found error. And if we find an exception or catch an exception, we can print some message such as print file does not exist. And if there are no errors, we are going to use else and get our words by calling text dot split function, and then we can get the length of our words, the number of words. That will be our word counter, words counter, and we'll use length function and pass in the words. And now we can print the number of words we have in this file. Print this file has words counter words. And just now need to pass in file name and call this function count words. That will be over here, file name, and I will create another file. This is a text file and save some word in it. Hello, hi, welcome, and I will save it as words.txt. words.txt, and then I'm going to call count words and pass in our file name. And now we need to execute our script. This is split function as is missing over here. And now we can execute our script. You can see it shows this file has 3 words. We have those 3 words in our text file. So this way we can count words in a file using Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.